Krishna, we have a top venture capitalist to really kick off the show today, Norwest Venture Partners, which remember recently raised $1.2 billion for its new global fund. Now we caught up with the NVP's director here in India, Mohan Kumar, to really find out how much of that money is going to come to Indian startups and the theme that Norwest is betting on going forward. We also asked him about the consolidation theme playing out in the macro environment and also the current environment with respect to valuations. Let's listen in.
In India, we invest in like two areas, early stage and late stage growth. In early stage, we focus on technology as a key component. Technology includes software and mobile and medtech technologies. Then we do consumer internet, which are anything consumer facing. That's the second area. And third is healthcare. These are three areas where you see primarily our early stage investments. When you say early stage, it's not like seed. We come anywhere from Series A to C, A, B, C. So anywhere from $5 million at the minimum and going up to about $30 million in Series C over a 2-3 year periods. That's our sweet spot, okay? And that's where we'll invest.
But talking about consumer internet, are you looking at that now because valuations will be more reasonable compared to where they were last year? And any segments within consumer internet that interest you?
Okay, so no industry is static, right? So as you say, we go into next stage, there is still an opportunity of new business models, new areas coming in the consumer internet. Okay, that's where you'll focus on, okay?
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
And in terms of valuations, is it better now compared to what we saw?
I think for companies which have raised money at a high valuation, right? I think it's a different, okay, because they have to continuously raise money to grow the company. But if you look at early stage, right, Series A, B, or C, I think the market is a little tempering down. Okay, so people are not trying to raise Series A companies, not trying to raise Series C.
Right. Everybody is also talking about consolidation, and but there is again thought that perhaps India will be a different market. It can have room for multiple players. Do you buy into that, or again, is it going to be a winner takes it all market? I mean, now there is speculation that perhaps Flipkart was in talks with Amazon for a sale. So do you think the winner takes it all logic applies to India as well, in that sense that there cannot be multiple winners in this space?
I think you can only forecast because if you ask everyone will have a different view, right? And that's mostly personal, individual view where he came from. What I can talk is what I think, okay? And India, I don't think it's be a winner take all, one person, one company taking, let's say, the horizontal e-commerce, okay, or the homestay, okay, or the airline. Okay?
And what advice are you giving your own portfolio companies to navigate the current environment? There's certainly an air of caution, more focus on unit economics.
We have, as I said, right, we have technology companies, SaaS, software, mobility, and consumer internet. The advice we give is different for each category. Okay? So for the consumer internet side, we say, look, make sure your business model works, which means if you're doing something today, in next 12 to 18 months, you have a model by which you can actually make money. Okay? And spend what you can. If you have a runway of 18 months, okay, make sure your money lasts till you come to the break-even period.
Right.
Okay, that's what we advise our consumer internet.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.